Mary Jo,
Hey.
what is the VA loan?
Well, the VA loan is put out by the Veterans Administration, and our active military and veterans qualify for VA loans on homes with some caveats where you pay nothing down. And nothing down doesn't mean that you go to the closing with no money. You have closing costs. And also, currently, with the active military, you have to have served overseas for a period of time to qualify for that. So you can't be in the reserves or the National Guard and just sit in office and still qualify for it. So that's who's entitled.
Yeah, that's good. So, what's the one big benefit of the VA?
Well, the biggest benefit is nothing down. You don't have to save for a down payment. Exactly.
Yeah. Zero down payment, right?
There is no down payment. Zero down payment.
And also, I heard a stat. There's only 20% of qualified people using VA loan.
That's right. So many military and veterans don't know anything about it, and they should.
Yeah.
They should, because it's a great deal.
So the FHA and the VA is specialized for veterans,
Yes.
right? Okay. So if somebody is watching this, they're a veteran, they want to know how to get it, what they should call you?
Well, call me. And the first thing you have to do is get a letter from the Veterans Administration confirming the fact that, yes, you're entitled to this. Once you get that letter, then we can start finding your house.
Right, that's good. So how long it take to get somebody qualified?
It doesn't take any longer than anything else to get anybody qualified. 2 or 3 days probably at the max.
2 or 3 days to get qualified, and then take about how many weeks to get it closed? We find
Well,
out.
if you find a house, it should take a month after you find that house to close on it.
All right, awesome. That's a good news for veterans.
It is. It's a great